Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about neurodiversity. So when we come to the human brain, what is normal? Is something normal just because most of the population does it in a particular way? Is something normal just because most of the population scores a particular score on a brain related test? Neurodiversity comes from the observation that no two brains are alike. Different people think, process information and learn in different ways. The neurological differences are natural variations in terms of a particular activity rather than something of a disability. So the concept of neurodiversity is a perspective that comes from the observation that people with cognitive differences such as those with autism, ADHD, learning disability are not defective or deficient in some way, or rather have a very unique and different way of processing information. So once we accept that it is a natural variation of a day-to-day event, then embracing and being open to different ways of learning, processing information and solving problems is something that can be very nicely and naturally learned from these individuals who are neurodivergent. So neurodiversity particularly stresses on the importance that people with autism, ADHD or dyslexia, even though they have cognitive differences, are not actually disabled. Rather, their brains simply have different wiring because of which they have a different way of processing things. And once this is accepted as a new normal, or rather something that has always existed and is a part of a natural variation, these individuals can form a very important part of resource with respect to work, occupation and day-to-day functioning.